है प्रचंड। मन कहे सो प्राण दे, मन कहे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। मन कहे सो प्राण दे, मन कहे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। कृष्ण की पुकार है, भागवत का सार है, कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है। कौरवों की भीड़ हो कि पांडवों का नीड़ हो, जो लड़ सका है वो ही तो महान है, महान है। जीत की हवस नहीं, किसी पे कोई वश नहीं, क्या जिंदगी है ठोकरों पे मार दो। मौत अंत है नहीं, दहाड़ दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड, आरंभ है प्रचंड, मस्तकों के झुंड, जंग की घड़ी की तुम हार दो। मान मान शान या के बाणों का ही दान, आज धनुष के बाण पर उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड, आरंभ है प्रचंड।
Let me focus now on how youth can concentrate on providing inclusive governance. What is inclusive governance? Friends, ultimately a good governance is identified by the way it is responsive and proactive to its need of the people, which will help them to lead a life which morally upright and intellectually superior, socially compatible with enriched quality of life. This is possible by the acquisition of knowledge and enriching the knowledge, thereby enhancing the quality of life. What is the multiple dimensions of technology which can achieve this objective? How to realize? I personally feel, no doubt it's a serious topic I'm going to talk to you. I personally feel we need to evolve the societal grid. Grid means connectivity. Societal grid, which comprises of knowledge grid, health grid, e-governance grid, thereby feeding the Pura grid. Pura means providing urban amenities to rural areas. Knowledge grid will empower the citizens, students, researchers with the appropriate knowledge on democratic basis, thereby ensuring the growth of the knowledge society. Health grid will ensure the benefits of quality healthcare services reaching the needy people, thereby enhancing the quality of life and increasing the individual productivity, which will help the nation to develop faster. E-governance services ensure transparency in government services, reaching all the people uniformly without any dilution of quantum and quality of services. If these four grids help each other, and the service will infuse the quality of service to Pura grid, which connects the 600,000 Pura grid connects the 600,000 villages, then villages are empowered and we will have inclusive growth. Empowered villages ensure good and smart governance. Hence, the success stories which you have seen in our country gives me the confidence that the establishment of a societal grid model is technologically possible. Innovation will rest on the business model, which will be evolved around the grids. Such a grid will provide the wisdom to the people of the country to choose the path for guaranteed success by taking innovative steps toward the goal of transforming India into an economically developed nation before 2020. The vision for inclusive governance is to transform its society into a knowledge society. The inclusive governance will bring societal transformation by enacting inclusive economic policies, thereby abandoning the prohibitive and extractive economic policies. The nation can grow only by empowering its people to contribute to agriculture, industry and service sector based on enriching them by skill enable them, knowledge enable them, technology enable them and finance them and create inclusive economic policies for making them globally competitive. Only this approach will help achieving the sustainable GDP growth for a decade to make India an economically developed nation, not by control them, penalize them as if they have committed crime. The vision of inclusive governance is to transform its society into a knowledge society. Inclusive governance will bring societal transformation by enacting inclusive economic policies, thereby abandoning the prohibitive and extractive economic policies. In order to bring the inclusive governance is the first and foremost requirement. Now you have to hear me carefully. In order to bring inclusive governance, the first and foremost requirement is to build a transparent home. We need, all of us live in home. You live in a home, I live in a home. We have to build a transparent home.